Hello everyone, in this video we are going to start exercise 4.2 of class 7th. In this video we will find the solution of the equations. Simple equations we have already discussed in the previous videos. So in the very first question we have to give first step so that we can separate the variable, then we have to solve the equation. Okay, before solving the equation you must know about transpose. Whenever you will have to find the solution of any equation, okay, so for that we have to use the transpose word. Okay, now see, x is here, this is the variable term and this is the constant term. Okay, while solving the equations we must separate the variable on one side and the constant terms on one side. Okay, now here x is there, so x will remain same. Okay, after the transpose signs are changed. Okay, like plus is there, that will be changed into minus. Okay, if sign is of minus then it will be changed into plus. Okay, if sign is multiplied then it will be changed into divide, and if it is in divide then it will be changed into multiply. Okay, now you can easily see that on the left side what is there, here it is variable term. Okay, and this is the constant, this we have to shift to the right hand side. Okay, now what we have on the right hand side, only 0. Now see which sign has 1, which sign is there with 1, it is minus, so that means minus will be changed into plus. Okay, so when we will transpose minus 1 to the right hand side, so it will become plus 1. Okay, so that means x is equal to 1. Okay, so that means x is equal to 1 is the solution to the equation. Okay, now what is the meaning of this solution? Solution means this value of x will satisfy this equation. Okay, let's check it with the verification. If you want to do the verification that your answer is correct or wrong, so what we have to do, you have to take the left hand side as we have done in the first exercise. Okay, so write left hand side, it is x minus 1. Okay, now what is the value of x? What is the value of x which we have found? 1. Okay, so then put x is equal to 1 in this equation. Okay, so what you will get here, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 and this is equal to right hand side. Okay, so that means your answer is correct. Fine. So here we have to mention the first step, so we have to write here transpose minus 1 to the right hand side. Fine. Now come to the next step. Here it is x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now what will be its first step? We have to transpose constant term which is there plus 1 to the right hand side. So what we will get here, x is equal to 0. Here plus 1 is there, when we transpose this on right hand side, so what we will get here, minus 1, sign will be changed. Okay, so x is equal to minus 1. This is your answer. Okay, our next question is there, x minus 1 is equal to 5. Okay, now again we have to write the first step, transpose minus 1 to the right hand side. Okay, so that means x is equal to 5 is on the right hand side, it will remain same. X is on left hand side, it will remain same, just we have to transpose minus 1. Okay, when we will transpose minus 1 to the right hand side, sign will be changed. So x is equal to 6. So this is the solution of your equation. Okay, in the same way you can complete your first part. Okay, now see, in the previous part which we have discussed now, in that terms are in plus or minus. Okay, now which part is given with us? In that we will discuss about the operation of multiplication and division. Okay, now see, 3l is given to you. Okay, so that means 3 is multiplied with l. Okay, now we have to separate the variable, so that means l will remain on left hand side, 3 we have to shift on right hand side. Okay, now see, 3 has the sign multiplication with l. Okay, so that means when we transpose it on right hand side, so it will be changed into division. Okay, so here we will write transpose 3 to the right hand side. Okay, so that means l is equal to 42 divided by 3. Okay, now see, 3 is multiplied with l, that means when we will transpose it on right hand side, it will be changed into division. Okay, now 42 divided by 3, when you will get here 14, so that means l is equal to 14. This is your answer. So our b part is given to you, b by 2 is equal to 6. Okay, whenever it is in fraction form, that means this is in the form of division. Okay, which operation is applied here? Division. Okay, now we will change it into multiplication. So write here transpose 2 to the right hand side. So then b is equal to, now see 2 is on the with b, what is the relation with 2? It is division relation. Okay, so when we will transpose, that means 2 will be multiplied with 6. So b is equal to 12. This is your answer. Got it? Now g part is given in your NCERT book. Here it is a by 5 is equal to 7 by 15. Okay, now see a and 5 has the relation of division, so that means we will transpose only 5 to the right hand side and it will be changed into multiply. Okay, so write here transpose 5 to the right hand side. Okay, so that means a is equal to 7 by 15 multiply with 5. Okay, now see in the multiplication of fraction, what we are doing, multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Okay, 7 5s are 35 by 15. Now see both are divisible by 5, so divide it with 5, what you will get here? 7, and here you will get 3. So that means your answer is 7 by 3. Got it? Now see your h part is given 20t is equal to minus 10. Okay, now see 20 and t has the relation of multiply, so that means when we will transpose 20 to the right hand side, so which operation we will use here? Division. Okay, so write here transpose 20 to the right hand side. Okay, so this becomes t is equal to minus 10 divided by 20. Okay, now see these both are divisible by 10. When you will divide 10 with 10, you will get here 1. When you will divide 20 with 10, you will get here 2. So that means t is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, in the third part, statement is given to you. Okay, now see we have to write the steps also to use which we will use to separate the variable, and then we have to solve the equation. Okay, now see firstly we will always separate the variables. Okay, 2 is in the operation of minus, so that means when we will transpose it on right hand side, it will be changed into plus. Okay, so write here transpose minus 2 on the right hand side.